Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here I am your English teacher. First of all, read dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Hope so, students, you are doing good with your parents and you are safe and sound. Class 7. First of all, open your English planner. Okay, class 7. Today we will do period number 30. Mention date here. 7/5/2021 sentences. Simple past pacifies usive formation. Example including negative interrogative sentences on NB revise active voice of simple past also. Okay. So today we have to do simple past pacifies. Okay. So let's open English notebook with me. Okay, I have opened page English notebook. So first of all mention date and day on the top of the page. Date is 7/5/2021 and the day is Friday. Okay, simple passive voice. Passive voice. The main subject of the sentence receives the action show through the verb. Okay. यहाँ पे एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस में क्या होता है? पैसिव वॉइस में होता है कि जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाता है और जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है. ओके. एंड वी ऑलवेज यूज थर्ड फॉर्म इन द सब्जेक्ट एंड ओके एक्टिवाइज वी यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जो सिंपल एक्टिवाइज है वहाँ पे हम जो है वो हमारी कौन सी फॉर्म हम यूज़ करते हैं? वो वी ऑलवेज यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. इन द पैसिव वॉइस and the helping verb is did. Okay, and but in the passive voice we use was were plus third form. यहाँ पे जो passive है जब when we change past simple past sentence in the passive voice we always use was and were plus third form of the verb. In active voice we use second form and in the passive voice we use third form. Okay, learn these rules. Okay students. Okay, for like the boy threw the ball. The boy is subject, threw is second form, and the ball is object. But when we change this sentence into interrogative, in passive voice, subject, this subject come into object, and the object come into subject. Okay, like this. The ball and the three one threw. This is second form, but when we change into passive voice, this will change was and the third form thrown by the boy. Like the ball was thrown by the boy. In active voice, the boy threw a ball. This is active voice. We use second form. Okay, but when we change into passive voice, sorry, the ball was thrown by the boy. Okay. The next is the cat killed the snake. The cat killed the snake. The cat is subject. Snake is also subject, but is work on the snake. This is object. Okay. The second form is killed. Killed is verb. Okay. It will change. A snake was helping verb. Killed third form by the cat. The snake was killed by the cat. Okay. यहाँ पे जो है वो सब्जेक्ट जो होता है ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाता है और जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो सब्जेक्ट में चेंज होता है हो जाता है. बट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग दैट वी ऑलवेज यूज थर्ड फॉर्म इन पैसिव वॉइस. इन एनी पैसिव वॉइस व्हेन यू मेक प्रेजेंट टेंस पास्ट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस we always use third form and we always use by before the object. Okay, by the object. And we all helping verbs are different. Okay, move over the next negative sentences. In negative sentences, Ali did not break the window. Ali did not break the window. आपको याद है कि जब हम नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव और नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में पास्ट में चेंज करते हैं तो वहाँ पे सेकंड फॉर्म ख़त्म होके जो उसकी चेंज हो जाती है हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है वो होता है डिड नॉट एंड द ऑलवेज यू यूज ब्रेक फर्स्ट form. But in this passive voice when we change active voice in the passive voice. We always use third form, and the helping verb the same, was and were. Singular take was and the plural takes were. Okay, remember this thing. Okay, Ali did not break the window. The window was not broken by Ali. The window was not broken by Ali. We always we also rule that rule in here, like subject become object and object becomes subject. Ali did not break the window. The window was not broken by Ali. Sana did not eat an apple. An apple was not eaten by Sana. When we make interrogative sentences, we always put question mark at the end, and the helping words come in the first. Like was the window okay. Was the window broken by Ali? Was the window broken by Ali? Ali, like Ali did not break the window. Was the window broken by Ali? One is, was an apple eaten by Sana? Was an apple eaten by Sana? Okay, student, this is today's lecture. Learn all main points and rules of simple past tense when we make or convert active voice in the passive voice sentences. Okay, and student, this is period number 29. This is your HW exercise part E composition workbook, page number 24 on notebook. Okay, this is composition about the Black Beauty. Okay, you have to write down the one paragraph about the what you think about of hunting as a sport. Okay, कि जो हंटिंग है उसको एज अ स्पोर्ट जो है वो उसके बारे में आपने एक पैराग्राफ राइट करना है. आर यू एग्री और डिसएग्री विथ दिस राइटर? ओके ओके बेटा, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, हैव अ गुड डे, अल्लाह हाफिज़.